Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create and use content inside the Instagram bot. I already have some content prepared here. To create content in the Instagram bot, the first step is to create a category, which is the folder that will contain your content. For example, each category can hold several pieces of content like this. Next, I'll click Add Article to create new content. At the top, select the category that will store the content. This is the folder we just created. Then choose the platform, which is Instagram, and choose the type of content. If you're posting images, select Image. If you're posting videos, select Video. Just pick the correct type for what you need. Here, I'll choose Image. Below that is the content type you want to use. Content for posting, content for commenting, content for messaging, or content for sharing. This depends on which automation feature you plan to use. Next, enter the title. The title is just the name of the content so you can recognize it easily in the software. Below that is the actual content that will be displayed when posting. You can add one sentence like this, or multiple sentences separated by a vertical bar. The bot will randomly choose the text before or after the bar. This is called the spinning structure for content. Finally, you can choose an image or video. After selecting the images, you will see the file information appear below. Enter the number of items you want to upload. You can select multiple images as well. For example, like this. Just enter the quantity you need, and then save it. After saving, the content will appear here. And this content can be used in sections like messaging. You can select the content, choose the category, and insert it. Or in the Instagram posting section for posting videos or images, you can choose the content you just created. For the seeding function, you will need to create content specifically for comments. The comment function works the same way. Just enter your comment content here. Alright, that's everything for the content management section. You can use this feature to create a variety of content so your activities become easier and more flexible. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next videos.